How to fix TikTok shop products not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your TikTok Seller Center. You can find it quite easily on your App Store or Play Store. Make sure that you download it, and after that you need to create your account on it. Now after that, you need to open up the settings on your TikTok Seller Center, and there you would be able to find the option of linked TikTok accounts in your settings. Simply select it. After that, you need to select the option of official account, and after that click on the option of unlink official account. And after your account is unlinked, just simply go to the linked accounts again in your settings of your TikTok Seller Center, and there, instead of going for the official account, go for the marketing account. Now enter your username of your TikTok and link your account, and this way you would be able to solve this particular problem. In case if the problem is still there, just simply go to the TikTok Seller Center or TikTok and contact the support and just explain them your problem, and you would be able to solve it up. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.